understanding the role of a drone pilot. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the term drone pilot. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about this modern profession, you're in the right place. Before we dive into what a drone pilot is, let's first understand what a drone is. A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is a type of aircraft that operates without a human pilot on board. Drones can be controlled remotely by a human operator or can fly autonomously based on pre-programmed plans or more complex dynamic automation systems. Now, let's talk about the drone pilot. A drone pilot is a person who operates the remote controls to fly a drone. These pilots are responsible for controlling the drone's flight, ensuring its safety during operation, and managing the tasks or missions the drone is set to accomplish. This can include aerial photography, inspections, mapping, and even deliveries. Becoming a drone pilot requires specific skills and often, certification. Key skills include technical proficiency in operating drones, knowledge of aviation safety regulations, attention to detail for safe and accurate flight. Often, certification or a license is required, especially for commercial drone operations. To help you understand better, here are some examples of how drone pilot can be used in sentences. She is training to become a drone pilot for aerial photography services. The film crew hired a drone pilot to capture stunning overhead shots. As a drone pilot, he must follow strict safety guidelines. That's it for today's lesson on the term drone pilot. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a drone pilot does and how the term is used in English. Remember, learning a language is all about exploring new words and concepts. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.